So, do you want to throw out the design limitations that you currently adhere to? Do you want to create an environment different to anything you have before? How about waterproofing wallpaper in your bathroom or wet areas? In this video, we're going to take you through the process of how to waterproof wallpaper. This video is not a guide on how to prepare your walls for wallpaper, but will endeavour to give you some tips along the way so you can source local materials and do it yourself. We will discuss the process, but you'll need to rely on the documentation for the products you end up using to understand their dry times, etc., before you can process to each step. The first thing you need is to have smooth, flat walls. Wallpaper will show up everything. Install your cement sheeting. Ensure the setting is sanded well. Waterproof the cement sheeting with a water-based acrylic waterproofing membrane. Apply a white paint primer. Install your wallpaper. Work out how much product you need based on the amount of square metre or square feet coverage and purchase the relevant kit. Cork the junctions between the wall and floor with the compatible cork. First coat of the membrane will always be a 1:5 ratio of part 2 to part 1. Using a 4 to 14 mil or 1/8 to 1/2 inch nap roller that has been thoroughly cleaned and defluffed, start at the top and work down. If your roller is continuous over the end, then start by rolling in the corner, as this will give you a good coverage. If you don't, paint on first with a paintbrush and then work in with the roller. Be careful not to backroll too much, as this is waterproofing, not paint. Backrolling will create streaks. The wallpaper kits are measured at a 1:5 ratio. This will allow for a thicker product that will have a bit of a non-slump quality. Be careful to check for run marks, especially in the corners. Be sure that the clear waterproofing membrane should overlap the existing acrylic waterproof membrane on the wall and floor to ensure a continuous waterproof surface to prevent water ingress. Wait till touch dry and clear before you progress to the second coat. You can speed up the dry time by applying a fan heater in the area, but ensure it has cooled before applying the second coat. When touch dry and clear, apply the second coat with a 4 mil microfiber or mohair nap roller. If you're wanting a matte finish or satin finish, then don't use part 2 in the second coat. Only apply part 1 and matting paste. Allow to dry or encourage drying, and after 24 hours you can apply other bathroom accessories to the area. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you create your sanctuary that reflects the person you are within. If you have any projects that involve wallpaper, please reach out to Remedial Membranes. We'd love to see the images of your projects and help you out along the way.